In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your N8n password in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible, whether you're doing this for routine maintenance or because you've simply forgotten your current password. Resetting your password regularly is a good practice for maintaining the security of your account, and it's always great to keep things fresh and, of course, secure. First, we begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, head over to the official N8n website. It's important to ensure that you're on the right website and not a fake or phishing page, particularly when it involves sensitive information like passwords. Now, once you're on the website, direct your attention to the settings icon. You can find this conveniently located beside your initials in the bottom left corner of the screen. This area of the site is like the backstage of your account, where you can manage important details and settings. Clicking this icon will open up a menu with various settings options available to you. Within this menu, you'll see a category labeled Security. This is where you manage anything related to the safety and access of your account. Select the option that says Change Password. It's located under the Security section, making sure that you're focusing on keeping your account safe and sound, especially when updating credentials like this. At this point, N8n will prompt you to enter some key details, starting with your current password. This step is crucial as it confirms your identity and ensures that you have authorized access to make such changes. After entering your current password, you'll need to type in the new password that you've chosen. When selecting your new password, consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to create a strong password that would be difficult for others to guess. Aim for something memorable to you, but complex enough to avoid easy detection. Finally, you'll be asked to re-enter your new password. This step is simply to confirm that you've typed it correctly and to avoid issues logging in later due to typos or errors. It acts as a safeguard, ensuring that what you think you typed is what you actually entered. And that's it. With these steps completed, your password should be successfully changed, and you'll be ready to continue using N8n with enhanced security. Regularly updating your password is a small but mighty step towards keeping your digital life secure and efficient. Thanks for joining me today in this quick tutorial, and feel free to revisit if you need a refresher in the future.